Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Ford Escape SE 4-wheel drive, stock number E1681P. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Ingot Silver, metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Escape seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again, only 20,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB connectivity, allows you to connect those media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.